If there's a better way of doing it, please let me know. Sorry about the cats, but I guess they're kind of scared. But anyway. Hi, welcome back. So you can see tonight I'm sitting down, so probably means it's going to be a talking video. Just a few things I wanted to kind of address. The reason I'm not going to be working on the Bronco tonight is yesterday I sliced my fingers open. Don't know if you can see right through here. And they're kind of tender at the moment. When I did it, it bled like really bad. I thought I might need stitches, but these cats won't leave me alone. Anyways, it's healing up. Just kind of a little sore today. Anyways, give that a day or so to heal. And another thing is I had training this morning, all morning. Then I had a concrete pour this afternoon. And then when I got home, I had to mow around the property around our house before the rain hit, and had to do things at the wife's business before the rain hit. And too, it's storming outside, and I don't know if it's supposed to be bad or not, and I don't want to be in the middle of something and all of a sudden lose power. But so we're just gonna kind of keep it simple tonight and just talk about a few things. First thing I'll talk about is the giveaway. If you're new to the channel, you might not know, but Super Clean is giving me the opportunity to do a giveaway of some of their products. I've been thinking about it, and I have an idea how to do it, but I just don't know how to contact the person that wins. I was going to wait till I get 300 subscribers, but that's getting kind of harder to get, so we may do it a little early. Just be looking for a video on that. I'll have it in the title, giveaway or something like that. And two, along with that, they'll send the winner some of their product, and then I'll send the winner one of these hats. It'll either be this vinyl sticker or it may be embroidered. I'm not sure. It'll be a snapback or adjustable. The other thing too is I am going to be probably remove everything like we did the pasture side, just have brand new metal up there. I have a call out to a couple body people, haven't responded yet. I'm going to try tomorrow just to see if I can get a hold of somebody. Even if they don't do it, I think we'll be able to get pretty close. Two, remember, Steven, if you're listening or watching, I am going to take measurements for you at the points you need them. It did slip my mind, I'll be honest with you, but I remembered, so I'll do that before I take any of the major stuff out. I know we took a pretty good section of the inner rocker, but I think you need points from like the dash to the seat and stuff like that. I'll have to reread the email, but I'll get those to you here soon. Milestones, I also kind of want to talk about that a little bit. The big thing for this year is to have all the rust repair done and the body off the frame will be the major goal, which is only April. So I don't want to jinx myself, but I think it's we're capable of hitting that. If we get that done before, the next one would be to have everything stripped off the frame and have the frame sanded down and painted. Would be the ultimate achievement by December of this year. Hopefully by mid-May or the end of May, we'll have all this taken care of through here, and we'll be waiting on the door pillars, which that's another thing I'm debating on is getting different door pillars for the passenger side, getting similar ones that I got for the driver's side that are already separated, because I think the bend on the passenger side is just not quite right, and I tried to bend it myself, and I think I just might have messed it up even more. I'm going to price those, and I'm going to get new hinges. I don't know if I should go with the painted or the stainless steel. I got the funds to get the stainless steel or the billet hinges. Get either one of those. That's Chester. He's usually not that loving, but I have enough money to get those, so I'm gonna get those next. That way we can hang the door when we get the pillars on. And I don't know about what to get after that. Probably gonna buy a couple patch pieces for the bed to fit in those areas that are rusted. And once that's done, I think the body's pretty well taken care of, other than these back corner here, and the passenger side is kind of dented in because it seems like somebody may rear-ended it one time. We'll have to fix those, but all the major structural that I consider structural problems will be dealt with, and it should be strong enough to take it off the frame. Like I said, tonight's kind of off night for me. Pretty long day, and I just kind of need a little bit of a break. But I just kind of want to go over what my plan is and what I see in the future about how this build's going to go. If you have any suggestions on which way I should go with it, please let me know. I do look at it and take consideration everything. Like, it's really hard deciding to keep this or take it off. And to be honest with you, I'm still, but more than likely we will take everything off and do it like the passenger side. We'll just have to deal with the door pillar, just deal with it later. Or I could put one of those inserts in, I guess, and make it a roadster. Not have doors, or just have some fabric doors. But anyways, I haven't talked to any body shops about body work or paint. I may try to tackle that myself. There's a color I like. It's like a shark skin gray or something like that. Doesn't have any metallics in it. It's just like a flat paint with a gloss. Clear coat, I guess you could say. But it's more or less like gray. It's probably almost like that primer, but just glossy. Maybe a tad bit darker. That's what I was thinking about for the body. That color. I was thinking about getting the wheels done, like blasting them and powder coating them. I don't know about the dash though, because I was gonna do the floor and everything in that rhino line black. I may do the dash in that same color too, and then do the engine bay. I may rhino line that too. Not sure, but anyways, that's my big plans. I don't think there's anything else really going on at this moment, other than what we're doing. But yeah, sorry, didn't work on the Bronco tonight. Like I said, very long day today. But we'll work on this next time, get it cut out and hopefully treated, get back to patching it in, and then we'll start popping these spot welds off like the passenger side. Debating on keeping the pillar on and just cutting around it and just taking it off with the kick panel. Might be the easiest way to do it. Then once we get that off, we'll have to cut the floor out and cut this piece along here, make a new flange, and make the correct holes for the gas switch, and then start fitting the pan. Make sure the brakes don't pop up. We'll have to brace, I think, between the dash and the transmission tunnel. We'll put a piece of steel, and from the dash to the pillar back here, we'll put another piece of steel. I don't think it should move, but we'll just be sure. And I'm thinking about flipping that around and coming down like we did last on the driver's side on the frame, even though it didn't help me because the bushings weren't in when I did it. So these bushings are in, so it should give us the right measurement we need there. But that's kind of how I'm thinking about it. If there's a better way of doing it, please let me know. Sorry about the cats, but I guess they're kind of scared. If you're new to the channel, we usually work on something. Usually don't sit and talk, but we usually do something on the Bronco. We'll start back next time, hammering it hard. I should be in a better situation, just energy-wise, and we'll get to start to working again. But I post 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Been on this for over a year. Hopefully the next couple of years we get it wrapped up and be enjoying it and bring something else in. But anyways, if you like what you see, these videos like this are few and far between. We're usually doing something. Sorry about this video, but kind of needed just a day to not do nothing. Just kind of relax. Thank you, you made it this far. It does really help the channel out a lot. And I'll see you next time.